In this video, you'll learn how to create a Jira dashboard in just a few minutes so you can visualize all your important project data in one customizable, organized place. First, open your browser and sign in to your Jira account. Once you're in, click on Dashboards in the top navigation menu, then select Create Dashboard from the drop-down to start setting up your new view. Next, name your dashboard. Give it a clear, descriptive title that reflects its purpose, like Sprint Overview or Team Performance. You can also add a description to help your team understand what the dashboard tracks. Now, choose who can view and edit your dashboard. Set the audience to private, your team, or a specific group of users. This ensures the right people have access to the right information for their roles. After that, click Add Gadget to start customizing your dashboard. Jira offers a wide variety of gadgets, including filter results, pie charts, sprint progress, assigned issues, and more. Pick the ones that fit your goals. Once your gadgets are in place, configure each one. Connect them to specific filters, projects, or sprints, and arrange them on your dashboard by dragging and dropping. Save your changes to keep everything organized. And that's it. Your Jira dashboard is now live, and your team has a clear view of every important project metric.